All right, y'all. Mm. Okay. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Aliya Jamari, and we back again for the 99s and the 2000s. Anyways, we're about to talk about creating your show, your web series, figuring out the log line, the storyline, the arcs, all of that stuff. I think is very important. People keep saying, why are you writing a show bible for your web series? Because it makes me more organized and it makes me get my thoughts out. It makes me get everything out so I know where the show is going before I even get started with writing the episodes. So if you have not heard of a show bible, most TV shows, well, all TV shows have them. I don't know why I'm saying most. All TV shows have them. Is how people pitch their show to networks to get them picked up. It consists of so much, so much. It's a lot of work, but it is so worth it, so freaking worth it. And I'm trying to bring mine up because it's not working, and I am so upset. Hold on, we're trying to bring it up. We're trying to bring it up here. Um, it's bright. Hold on. Looking crazy. Anyways. Okay, all right. So how do I get there? All right. Google Drive. So I did mine in Google Drive. Quite a few people that I know that did theirs did it in Google Drive. We're gonna do this because I look spooky as hell. Okay. Um, But most of the people that I know that do their Bibles, they'll do it in Google Drive. It's just easier to do everything in there. If mine wants to open up for me. Basically, um, you write the introduction, why your story. There's so many different elements, and I'm probably gonna create something that's I'm probably gonna create an actual like sample Bible, so like the outline is there so you guys can do it for your web series. It's not like standard like industry quality, but it's enough for you to get your web series up and moving. So I put the introduction, why I want to tell this story, my why, basically, as to why I want to tell this story, what this story means to me, the length, the genre, the structure and tone, the log line, the theme, the story world, the summary of the show, character breakdowns, which is like the listing of the characters, their age, and qualities about them. The summary is basically, of course, summarizing everything. What did I go over the log line? The log line is basically a one-liner about what the show is about. The theme is literally what is the underlining thing. So like say, okay, so for me, I identified by my sexuality a lot. Like I went from one thing of being abstinent to being sexually active and identifying that. Like when I met you, or if someone met me, you would know off the bat that I was a virgin and I was waiting until married to have sex. And then afterwards, it was kind of like oh, now I'm fucking y'all. Like, kind of thing for me. And so I realized that I put a lot of my identity in my sex life. It was very strange. It came from being in the church for so long and being such a Christian girl. And that the underlying theme of my show, because my show is about this, the underlying theme of my show is self-identity. And so that's the theme for me. And that's what you mean by the theme, like the underlying, what are you trying to get across? Like, what are you trying to say with your show? The genre is dramedy, drama, comedy. There's going to be a lot of both in there. The summary gives like example episodes and what the show is about in a little bit more detail. The character breakdowns, we went over that. the first season overview. So basically each episode, what the names of them are, and kind of like, you know how you go to on Netflix and you see the little sentence about what the episode is about. That's exactly what you want to put there. And then after that, I did the beats for each episode. So the beats are basically saying what's happening in the story, step by step for each episode. So like how it opens and what's going on in action after that, until you get through the whole episode and you feel okay, because it's an outline for your episode, so that when you're going to write, you're not writing from scratch at all. And so that's the whole reasoning for the Bible, the reason why I did it, because I didn't want to, when I started off initially, I started off with just trying to write from nowhere, and it just didn't make sense. It was not smart at all. It was not a smart move. Some people can do it. I could not. I really wanted to write everything out, and I really want this to be perfect enough. You know, I'm not saying everything has to be perfect. I'm not telling you to be perfect with your show, but to be as organized as you possibly can, and to make sure you're telling an actual story, you know, and make sure that you're getting from point A to point B in the way that you want it to get through, and you're telling the story in the way that you want it to be told, which is why I say that. So what else? After that, I put like season 2 and beyond, what season 2 would look like, what is in store for my characters for season 2. I don't have to go into a whole lot of detail about that. I will eventually, when it's time to approach season 2. Hopefully I'll have funding, prayerfully. We just go pray to Jesus. And that's what that's going to look like. So I'm going to give you guys I'm actually going to make the outline for y'all. Look at that. And so by the time I post this, you guys are going to have an outline set up in Google Docs. There will be a link in the bio. Yeah, that's a bio, right? There will be a link in the bio. Tell it that you guys can click on, and you can kind of copy and paste, and you won't be able to edit, but you'll be able to copy and paste it into your own Google Doc, and then create your show from there. Like, I'm giving you guys a step-by-step on how I'm doing it, as I'm doing it, and things may change, things may not. I might have to update this video, but as of now, this is how I'm doing it, and it's going amazing. I'm getting things down, and it's actually progressing. So next time, I think we're going to talk about collaboration, what that looks like, and how to move forward. And actually, I am casted in a web series right now. I'm actually about to head on. The last video, I had taken my pants off, and it was on the couch. I'm about to put those pants back on so that we can head on out, or I can head on out to my rehearsal, because I'm kind of seeing firsthand a web series being shot, rehearsing, and things of that sort. So I can kind of, not only am I in it to kind of help my acting career, build my reel, but also to kind of see how it goes and go from there. So far, it's been amazing. I really, really love, y'all are watching me put my pants on. I really, really love the chemistry that we have, and I think that we can really build upon it. So I can't wait to tell you guys. I can't tell you guys anything. Yeah, I did sign an NDA, so make sure y'all have those set up too, so nobody can tell your stuff. Okay, period. Okay, I should have had the people that read my my concept sign an NDA, but I trust them. They love me. I love them. They bet not. If y'all watching this, y'all bet not. But from here on forward, there will be an NDA associated with all of my things. So yeah, that's all I have. Make sure you guys look out for you scroll down and you look out for I have a unitard on, so I gotta button it without showing y'all my butt. Make sure you guys check it out. and let me know how it helps and what else I could do. I'm also going to put some resources that help me figure out what to put in there. And yeah, I think you guys will be really good as long as you kind of narrow down what you want to tell, what story you want to tell, and which, like, you know, how you want to tell that story. You should be fine with everything, and kind of get in the groove and setting aside time to really write every day. And that's what I've been doing, and it's been working perfectly. So love y'all. Peace out. We signing out. Adios.
You can roll if you wanna roll, but if you get up in my way, you